Hi everyone, this is Mariel S. Flores, and today I will going to explain my Java program that continuously asks the users to enter their age until they enter a valid SIN number. And also, this Java program talks about the vote eligibility. So, as you can see, naglalagay ako ng import java.util.scanner. So, ang purpose nito guys is it allows the users to input data. So, the next is public class vote eligibility. It defines a new class that called vote eligibility. So, next, we have a public static void string and argument. So, ito yung tinatawag natin na main method that the program start to execute. So, makikita nyo naman guys no, na may char or choice. So, ang purpose nito guys is siya yung nag-declare ng character variable. And next naman yung do or do while loop. So, ang purpose nito guys is siya yung nag-ask or repeatedly ask the users to input until they choose to exit. So, kasunod guys is yung int age equals 0. So, ang purpose nito guys is siya yung nag-declare ng integer variables that tinatawag natin na age and initialize it to 0. Dito naman tayo sa while or age less than or equal to 0 is this is asking the users for their age until they enter a positive number. So, if age is greater than or equal to 18, system that outprint claim you are eligible to vote. So, it means kapag yung age mo is 18 above or equal to 18, mag-print siya ng you are eligible to vote. If else, system that outprint you are not eligible to vote. If mag-false siya, is mag-print siya ng you are not eligible to vote. And next, if age is greater than or equal to 0, logical and age is less than or equal to 12 is system that outprint claim you are a child. If 0 pa taas hanggang 12 or equal to 12, mag-print siya ng you are a child. If naman, age is greater than or equal to 13 and age is less than or equal to 17, you are a teenager. So, kapag 13 pataas o equal to 13 hanggang 17 is mag-print siya ng you are a teenager. If else age naman is greater than or equal to 18 and age is less than or equal to 59, system that outprint claim you are an adult. Kapag 18 or equal to 18 pataas hanggang 59 or equal to 59, system outprint you are an adult. So, dito naman sa system that outprint, do you want to check another age? So, dito tatanungin yung user if papatuloy pa ba siya na mag-input ng kanyang age. Yes or no yung ilalagay mo. And dito naman sa choice input next year, siya yung mag-read if yung ano yung pipiliin mo. Continue mo bang i-enter your age mo or hindi na. So, ito yung kabuuan ng code natin, guys. So, try natin i-run yung program. Yung code natin. So, ito yung lumabas. Tanungin ka na or enter your age. Palagay natin 20 yung age gusto mo. So, ito yung output niya. You are eligible to vote and you are an adult. Sabi ko nga kanina, kapag yung edad mo is greater than or equal to 18, is you are eligible to vote. And next, tatanungin ka naman na, do you want to check another age? So, lagay natin yes. So, enter your age na naman. Palagay natin 12 yung gusto mong edad. So, you are not eligible to vote. Di ka pwedeng makaboto. And because you are a child. And also, tatanungin ka naman, do you want to check another age? Yes. Try natin. And palagay natin 60 yung age na gusto mo. You are eligible to vote. Pwede kang makaboto. And you are a senior citizen. And tatanungin ka naman, do you want to check another age? If lagyan natin ng no, so wala na. Hindi na mag-run or hindi na magpapatuloy yung tanong na do you want to another age. So, that's all po. Thank you.